very important to help our children move from elementary school to middle school. They need to have that consistency of care. So we want to help build a bridging and a stepping stone to the next level of their education.
Songs are prayers. We have different songs for every occasion you can think of. And making drums, it's good for have some pride in who you are and where you come from.
Today you're witnessing our grade 5 drum project, or Voice of the Drum it's also called. It began through our Indigenous Education Council, who wanted to see key milestones of transitional moments celebrated and honored.
Many of these kids have been looking forward to this program since grade 1, so it's very exciting. So we have Darren Charlie teach the kids and share his knowledge. His family helped keep these traditions alive and the songs alive.
See, I've moved into a star or a snowflake. Teachings come with drums, so I try to incorporate teachings of the Indigenous just so they can be more familiar and to work on their pride and self-esteem, being proud of who they are.
This year, we were able to bring some families in to do the drum making with our students. And this activity just really gives the student and the parent a sense of pride. And it was very heartwarming to see them working together.
As they go into middle school, it's important for them to know their voice and to be able to feel like they can respect the voices of others and really highlight their culture through the drum. Finding your voice, connection to culture, and respect help us transition the students to middle school.
Our elders tell us that if you're proud of who you are and where you come from, you can tackle anything in life. And a part of that is education and learning more about who you are.